Welcome to Allie and Thea, the boutique built just for tweens, where fashion is fun, memories are made, and confidence shines. Hi, I'm Randy Streck, founder of Allie and Thea. After 25 plus years in retail, I launched this boutique to fill a gap. Stylish, age-appropriate, and affordable clothing that helps girls feel confident and comfortable. This age is special, and it's tough. My mission is to inspire confidence, courage, and style in every girl who walks through our doors. Nothing beats the joy of seeing her light up in the mirror. From party dresses to lounge sets, birthday looks to photo-ready outfits, we've got her covered. Plus, we have shoes, accessories, gifts, and unforgettable in-store experiences as well. I pray daily that this is a place where tweens will feel seen, celebrated, and stylish. Every visit is a core memory in the making. When you shop at Allie and Thea, it's like stepping into your best friend's home and leaving the best party you've ever been to. We don't just sell clothes, we cheer them on, get to know their stories, and help them shine. Come visit us in-store or shop online. Follow us on social for the latest drops, events, and all things tween style. We can't wait to meet you.